gusto niyo po bang bumalik? And if ever babalik kayo, anong gagawin niyong kakaiba from your first stay in the house? Who wants to go first? Pinas na maihi. Alright, Ashley, take it away.
Ako po, kahit na may times ko talaga na naiinip po sa loob ng bahay kapag walang ginagawa, na-enjoy ko po talaga yung stay ko doon at ang dami ko po natutunan. So, sa tingin ko po ako, lalo na po kung makakasama ko rin po yung mga old friends ko, yung mga old ex-housemates. So, yes po, gagawin ko yun. Pero siguro yung thing na gagawin ko is mas enjoy po talaga. Kasi kahit na po nabigyan na kami ng advice na enjoy mo sila, ang hirap po na i-keep up lang po yung ganung mindset. So, next time po, if ever na mag-join po rin ako, mas paninindigan ko po yung enjoy ko na talaga po, mag-iisipin po yung kung ano man yung nangyayari po sa labas. Para mas ulit po yung stay po sa loob ng bahay po.
That's really understandable because it's a competition at the end of the day. But yeah, it's important for you to enjoy the moment, enjoy the presence. Of course, Princess?
Well, honestly, for me, syempre po, sobrang magandang opportunity po yun if you were given a chance to go back. But honestly, okay na ako. Parang kasi what made my journey special sa PBB is para sa akin, I only get to do that. Parang once in a lifetime opportunity lang siya. So, para sa akin, okay na din yun. And I'm very grateful sa mga lahat na na-experience, natutunan, at sa mga taong kamit ko sa bahay niya. So, I feel like yung chapter na yun, okay na yun.
Kayo na si Princess. So, next chapter na tayo. Or how about you, Caprice?
Kung may chance po na bumalik sa bahay ni Kuya, gusto ko po, kahit as a housemate or house guest, gusto ko po talaga na mag-try ulit yun. Kasi once in a lifetime experience lang po siya. So para na-experience ko yun ng 2 beses, why not po? Kaya na-excite po ako at mas i-enjoy ko po at for sure, lalaki po yung group of friends ko pag sumali po.
Twice in a lifetime na.
Yeah!
How about you, Heath? Yan.
Ako po kasi, miss ko rin po yung bahay ni Kuya and ayun, it would be a great opportunity to go back. So, ayun, ako okay naman po ako na bumalik po sa bahay ni Kuya kasi na-enjoy ko rin po ng sobra yung stay ko doon kasi it was like a big sleepover po with my friends kaya super na-enjoy ko po talaga. And yung, kung bumalik po ako ulit, I'm sure do the same thing, just enjoy po, like Ashley said. I'm just gonna enjoy my stay a lot more and not really worry too much about that outside world and just enjoy the entire process.
Enjoy the moment, like they say. Thank you so much for that, Heath. How about you, Clifford?
Ako naman, I wouldn't say no to that opportunity. Siguro ngayon, undecided pa ako, pero when the opportunity comes, siguro doon ko na malalaman yung decision ko. And lalo na ngayon na magkakaroon ng bagong bahay si Kuya, so syempre, sobrang exciting, it's a new experience. And ayun, I wouldn't say no to that.
What would you do differently, if ever?
Siguro I would be less scared kasi may times na natakot ako kay Kuya. So siguro mas maging vocal na ako.
The braver side of Clifford. Ang
Yes.
mga natin yan. How about you, Marco?
Honestly, I don't really know pa sa ngayon. So, at this point, I'll leave it to God kung ano mang mangyari. But for me, I'm just gonna be open to whatever opportunity na ibigay sa akin at kung naaayon ko yun sa path na gusto ni Lord para sa akin. And siguro, yun nga, dahil magkakaroon ng bagong bahay, it's gonna be a new kind of experience. And I would be thrilled to try it at least one more time. And with a different set of housemates naman, kasi I believe na magkakaroon naman kami ng different dynamics kapag napapasok ulit ako as a housemate. Pero ayun, siguro something that I would change. Honestly, wala talaga kasi by that time it's gonna be a different timeline na. So by that time may mga bagay na rin ako natutunan at kasi I believe that there's always room for improvement. So I'll always see it as that na the reason kung bakit ako makakabalik man, kung magkakaroon ng kasal, is because meron pa akong kailangan i-discover sa sarili ko at isasama ko yung mga housemates at yung mga taong nanonood sa journey ko na yun.
So Marco's going to leave it to fate and destiny.
Yes, sir.
Abangan namin yan.
Amen.
How about you, Lee?
Well, the idea of PBB All-Stars, honestly, saya na nun eh. So, parang hindi ko natatanggihan pa. Go na ako dyan, honestly. And you know, kung ano pa ba gagawin ko magbabago. Honestly, kung anong Lee Victor nakita niyo nung Collab 2.0, yun pa rin na Lee Victor makikita niyo. Pero, since I know what to do or how the game is played now, siguro low cortisol version naman ni Lee Victor ang
Sample
makikita
na,
niyo.
sample.
Basta yun, tas there was a common thing everybody said and is to have fun. Meron kami isang house guest nung Collab 2.0, si Kuya Lulu. Lagi nang niremind sa amin na parang, don't treat it as a competition, just have fun all throughout your stay. Kasi yun nga, the PBB experience, di pa na yung mababalikan eh. Kaya siguro yun, to have fun all the time. And siguro to have more deep talks with one housemate to another. Kasi parang di ko ata masyadong nagawa yun nung Collab 2. Like, to have like serious deep talks with all of the housemates. So, kung bibigyan ng opportunity ulit, let's go for it. Yeah.
Yes, thank you so much for that. We enjoy every moment kasi once in a lifetime na makapasok sa bahay ni Kuya. And guys, that actually wraps up our Q&A portion. I told you, kaya kayo nito. 100 over 10. Ang galing na nating housemates. But before we move on to the next part of the program, I'd like to, of course, invite all of you to promote whatever's going on, your upcoming projects, your socials, where they can find you. Ito, mga aabangan natin sa housemates. Let's start with me. Or maybe kay Princess muna tayo. Let's start with the ladies this time.
Okay, well, actually po, abangan nyo na lang po kasi meron pong magaganap na pasabog. Sorry na. Pero ayun po, pero ayun po, abangan nyo po kami dyan. Pero ayun po, kasama kami lahat doon. Abangan nyo na lang po. But, ayun, and yeah, abangan nyo na lang po.
Yeah, where they can follow you.
Okay.
Princess, so, makikita yung content mo, yung magganap mo.
Okay, social media na lang po sa IG, Princely_20 and TikTok and Facebook, Princess.
Thank you so much, Princess. Ano ba post kayo ng singing content mo? How about you, Ashley?
Same lang din po, hindi pa po pwedeng i-announce. Pero, yun po, abang-abang na lang po tayo sa post ko siguro ng Sparkle or ng GMA. And of course, din po yung mga personal ganaps ko po, makikita niyo po sa social media accounts ko po, which is Instagram and TikTok, Ashley Sargento __ and on Facebook, Aaron Ashley Appears. Yun na po, thank you.
How about you, Lee?
Ako naman po, abangan niyo na lang po ako sa FanCon ko po sa April 19 po. Skydome po kaya abangan niyo na lang po ako dun. Focus you guys here po.
Guys, bili kayo ng tickets. I'm sure it's rolling out already. And we're excited for that. How about you, Caprice?
Abangan at supportahan niyo po mga future projects po namin and sa IG po Cap Caprice, Facebook and TikTok Caprice Quintano po. Thank you!
Thank you. How about you, Clifford?
Ako naman po, magkakaroon po ng gig with Thea Asti this Friday, March 27. So, Brewing Point. So, and sa lahat ng mga nanonood dyan, I really hope you guys will come. It's gonna be a fun night and doon ko rin pa ipapalabas yung love ko for my passion, which is performing, which is singing. So, ayun po, sana makabisita po kayo. Thank you.
Let's support Clifford, and I'm sure the PPP housemates will be there to support you. How about you, Marco?
Well, ayun po, actually, this April 15, magkakaroon po ako ng movie na Huwag Kang Titingin. So, iniimbitahan ko po kayong panoorin yun. Actually, may kasama din ako itong housemate ng Collab 2.0 na si Sofia at iba pang mga housemates from Collab Edition na first Collab Edition. And aside from that, yun, sana magkaroon din ako ng mga bagong show at yung mga pasabungan na sinasabi ni Princess. Makakasama din naman siguro ako doon. And yung sa ibang mga dapat na abangan, Sparkle po yung mga kasagutin. Ayun guys, see you na lang sa mga magiging ganap. Thank you. And don't forget to follow me Instagram, it's Marco Massa, TikTok, Marco Massa __, Facebook, and YouTube, Marco Massa. Yeah. Thank you guys.
Thank you, Marco, and congrats to you and Sophia for Huwag Kang Titingin. And of course, Lee.
Guys, if you want more updates, just follow GMA Network. But kidding aside, yun nga, abangan niyo po yung mga future projects ng lahat ng Collab 2.0 housemates. sa mga pasabog, just wait for the notification coming from your phone. Abang na, patience is key. Tapos, you can also support me sa OPM journey ko. Nagsisimula na rin ako sa OPM journey ko. Kasi ito talaga yung isa sa mga pangarap ko. Meron na po akong song sa Spotify or kung ano mang music app ginagamit yung pong pakinig ng music. My first ever single, it's called Nagkakahiyaan. It's about two people, gustong-gusto nila yung isa't isa, pero at the end, hindi sila makaamin sa isa't isa.
Based on real life ba yan, Di? Ayun ang tanong.
Grabe. But yeah, ayun, abangan din yun po yung mga, paparating ko din po na isusulat kong mga songs that I'm very proud to share with you guys. Kaya ayun yun po. Maraming salamat po. You can follow me on all of my social media accounts, _DVictor_ on Instagram, and DVictor on TikTok and Facebook. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. We're looking forward to your singing journey. Muli, let's give it up for our Kapuso Celebrity Collab PBB Housemates 2.0.